normal. Yeah, so the SPSS platform has, as I mentioned yesterday, it has a data view and it also has a variable view where you can make your coding and then ascribe values to all the codes and also define the measurement scale. It has been done for all these data sets, so we will not go into it. And we also mentioned the fact that we need to use underscores to replace all spaces in between the levels so that the JAS platform, sorry, the SPSS platform will render it as an illegal character. Right, and it also has a different output window that displays any value of analysis that we do. So it's similar to the GraphPad Prism interface as well. So here we will go to analyze, then we'll go to descriptive statistics, and then we'll click on descriptives. Once you click on descriptives, it gives you also the leverage to the opportunity to select the various data points or variable you want to run whatsoever on. So we select them here, and then there's an option column here. So you click on option and you have opportunity to select what type of descriptive statistics or the display that you want to show. So we want sum. Okay, we don't want sum. We want mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, variance, range, standard error of the mean, kurtosis, skewness. So you can check as many variables that you want, or as many of the measures that you want to appear in your analysis. And click on OK, and then you click on OK here, and then it will open an output for you. I'm sure it has opened on my screen, but it's not showing, so I have to go back to that screen and share. So this is what I'm talking about. So it gives you an output like this, and it titles it as descriptive statistics. So for FBG, which is fasting blood glucose, it tells you the number of entries that we have, 197, and then the range, the minimum value, the maximum value. The range is basically the subtraction of the maximum and then the minimum. So this 27.8 minus 4.05 should give us 23.75. So that's how the range is calculated. We have the mean and then the standard error of the mean. The standard deviation also is here. And we also have the variance and then the skewness and then the kurtosis. So we can see the values are similar to that which we obtained for the GraphPad Prism. So maybe it can be your project to take one data set and run it across all these statistical packages and see how the various outputs turn out. And then you can make recommendations to people as to which of them they should use or whatever. So maybe it's one project somebody may want to pick up. I'll be interested in it if somebody chooses to do that. Right, so basically that is it for this.